I think this is one of the best breakfast for summer. It will help to full your tummy as well as cool your body. Before this summer will go, must try this recipe at your home. Make poha uttapam. First of all, you have to soak flat rice, that is chuda ya poha, as well as rice in 1:2 ratio, that is for 1 glass of poha you have to take 2 glass of rice. First, transfer the poha as well as rice to the grinding jar to make a fine paste like this. While grinding the rice, add 1 small cup of curd, that is half to the poha, as well as salt to taste. Once you are done with the grinding, transfer the mixture to a wide container. Well, and keep in a resting period for overnight, and the next morning you will see the paste will get thin, so be careful while adding water during grinding. Butter is ready. Now take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now spread the butter over it. The lid for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, your uttapam will be ready. If you want to make more nutritious, then you can add grated carrot over it. Our plain as well as carrot poha uttapam is ready. Now transfer it into a plate. Be careful while transferring as they seem sticky in nature. You can serve it with chutney or curry based on the availability. Hope the video is helpful for you. If then, please don't forget to press on the like button. Even 1 like means a lot to me, and please don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. It's totally free of cost but means a lot to me. Please do support as the channel is in growing period.